Want to hear the secret to freelance success? If so, then keep on watching. I'm not even gonna call this my secret. This is just a secret that will work to get you freelance success. But here's the thing. I see people every single day. They try Upwork, they try freelancing in general, and then as quick as they start to try, they just give up. And then they go, nah, this doesn't work, this is not for me, and it's just too saturated. Now here's the other thing, it didn't work for me either, at least not at first. It took me 5 years to learn some of the most important lessons I had to learn, mostly revolving around pricing and value of my own work. And I lose a shit ton of money in the meantime. Yes. Did I struggle to get clients at times? Heck yeah. But I knew that I wanted the freedom that freelancing could give me. I knew I wanted to be able to take off and go travel and either do my work beforehand or work while I'm there. And by that time, I had gotten the taste of it, and I knew enough to know that I didn't want to give it up. Working from my bed, from the train, from the mall even, wherever, whenever. It's just the best feeling in the world, for me at least. So what did I do when I couldn't get clients? I just kept at it. And honestly, once I actually sat down and was like, okay, this is gonna work, I'm gonna make this work, and I'm gonna make this my full-time thing, that's when I started growing. So please, if you take anything from this video, is don't say you'll try. Say you're actually going to do it. Don't say, I'm gonna try this freelance thing. Instead say, I'm gonna become a freelancer because of X, Y, and Z, whatever that is for you. And then just don't give up. If you hit a roadblock, you Google it. You DM me on Instagram. I'm always there to answer your questions. If you get a no, you get back out there. There are a shit ton of clients waiting for you. You don't have to keep fixating over one that told you no. And if you need me to hold your hand, you may want to have a look at my freelance level up course, where in 7 levels, just like a game, you can become a freelance master. Are you up for the challenge? If so, click the link below to get started. And I'll see you on the other side.